when I get out of those calls, it's really always this feeling of being, well, not being alone. So the overwhelm goes down, of having like actual actionable steps laid out for me, and I know what I'm going to do next. And then the third thing is just that connecting with people in such a way, having such a heartfelt support, it, like, I would say, like, it really kind of drowns down the self-doubt, the self-critical voices, and really gives me like this is going to sound so cliche, but like a lightness in my step, because it feels like I come out of there and just feel so inspired. I feel so supported and connected to what my goal is, to why I'm doing it, and so much more accepting of the challenges that come with it, because I know that it's not just me, and there are these wonderful people there who, you know, when I'm listening to what they're coming up with, what they're creating in the world, it's like, it's inspiring, and it's like respect worthy. And then knowing that they're dealing with the same issues, like, or very similar issues that I'm facing as well, just makes it much more manageable, like the acceptance rate of the challenges just goes up, and I really feel empowered and also not overburdened. So thank you, Wioleta, for creating this space and for holding it so well, for navigating it so well. Really looking forward to see you again.